Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is, I can say it's chili, chili bean, although maybe soup. No, chili bean. It's a cross between soup and stew that is chili. And this is using taco seasoning, so the boys really like it. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna slice 2 celery stalks and 2 garlic, also half of an onion. Just slice them thinly. I have 5 burger patties here that I'm gonna use. You can use ground beef obviously, but I only have patties and I want to use them up. So we're gonna brown it first. So this is 5 patties, hamburger patties. Add in the sliced onion and garlic and just mix it. Cook until the browning and garlic and onion soften. Now add in 1 tin of corn and 1 tin of sweet peas, 1 can of white kidney beans, 1 can of dark red kidney beans, and just mix it nicely. 1 can of condensed tomato soup and 1 can of beef broth. Again, just mix it. We're gonna add more beef broth, covering the beef broth or water covering the goodies. Not forgetting our sliced celery. Bring this to boil. So I have some leftover beef broth. I'm just gonna pour them all here. So in total the beef broth is about 900 milliliters. Instead just storing it in the fridge, I'm just gonna add this to the pot. Now we're gonna bring this to boil and we're gonna season it a bit later. Once boiling, add in or season 3 teaspoons taco seasoning and 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Let it fully boil or continue boiling for another 10 to 15 minutes.